everyone. In today's phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter H. This is the letter H, and the sound that it makes is Let's try a few words which start with the sound. H is for hat. 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 H is for hug. 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 H is for heart. 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 H is for heart. 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 H is for honey. 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 H is for horse. 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 H is for hockey. 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 H is for helmet. 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 H is for house. 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 H is for hanger. 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 H is for hammer. 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 H is for harmonica. 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 H is for helicopter. 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 And don't forget me. H is for hen. 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 That's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter H with me. See you again very soon. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.